Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to unfulfill an order in Shopify. To start this tutorial, open myshopify.com in your internet browser, in your PC, laptop, or Mac. Once you're here on the left side, go to Orders. Once you are now in Orders, you just need to read this info over here and then open another tab. Of course, in your internet browser. In here, you're going to search for the following: how to unfulfill Shopify order. Just tap on the Google search. Once the results show up, here it is. It's only 3 steps. 1. Go to Orders in your Shopify admin and click the order you want to mark as unfulfilled. And then click the 3 dots next to fulfilled on the right side. Then step 3, choose Cancel Fulfillment for the drop-down menu. If you ever miss a step, just go back to the video. Don't worry, we'll be here waiting. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.